Oh, we're laughing right now because it's kind of a funny topic, but it's also an embarrassing problem that plenty of people have. We're talking about bad breath and whether or not there are any remedies for it. Joining us with some helpful tips is Dr. Melvin Pierson from Pierson Dental Associates in Sicklerville.
How you doing?
Hi. So this is always a really awkward topic to bring up. You never want to tell anybody, and when you think you have bad breath, you don't want to ask.
It really is awkward, and that's why you really need good friends.
Right.
Because there's no true remedy to tell it, so your friends will have to let you know.
This doesn't work?
That doesn't work.
No.
That doesn't work.
Jeez, okay. So you have here, we're starting with some of the causes, and some of them we sort of already know, right?
Some of the causes are really some of the things you don't eat. Skipping meals puts your body on shutdown mode. And that causes the saliva flow to decrease, which is the body's normal cleansing mechanism for bad breath. So skipping meals at work or skipping meals when you travel is a big culprit to bad breath.
See that? All those skinny little models, they may look pretty. Maybe you don't want to get so close. So before we actually talk about sort of the onions and the garlic and stuff, you said your body shuts down, saliva. What actually causes bad breath?
Bad breath is caused by a bacteria.
Okay.
Now, we don't know if the bacteria is from the mouth or it's from the GI tract, but the commonality there is bacteria. So keeping the bacteria down will decrease the bad breath.
Okay.
And again, the body's normal cleansing mechanism is saliva flow. So if you decrease that, you're increasing bad breath.
All right. So what do we have here?
We have two of the main culprits everybody knows about, onion and garlic, two of the foods I love, and spicy things. These are the things that really can cause bad breath.
Okay. So if you skip meals, that's huge, but when you eat, these are the ones. But there's also sort of natural ways to combat bad breath.
There are natural ways. One of the common natural ways is parsley.
Really?
Parsley, chewing parsley, it's more than just a garnish.
Yeah.
Or there are some other natural mechanisms such as eucalyptus, spearmint, tarragon, coriander. These are all herbs that will help you combat bad breath. So you mix those in with a tea and you drink the tea. It would really cut down on the bad breath.
Okay, so I thought my mom was just making it up because she would always eat the parsley off the side of the plate.
Moms never make stuff up. Moms
I don't know about that, but not my mom if you're watching, Mom. So
some of the other foods, let's say we go out and we eat some of this onion and garlicky food, you don't quite have time to brush. Getting some apples. Granny Smiths are better than Red Delicious because they're tart. The tartness makes you increase saliva flow. There we go.
I'm learning.
There we go. Carrots, crunchy, nice to nibble on at your desk while you're working, and again, it'll keep down bad breath. Same thing with celery. A crunchy food will keep down the bad breath. Also, foods rich in vitamin C, mangoes, oranges, grapefruit.
Back to that citrus thing?
The citrus thing and high vitamin C content provides a non-growth environment for the bacteria. Now, the natural foods in this case are better than the supplements because supplements can sometimes cause GI upset. But eating the natural foods is going to make your mouth not as a growth factor for bacteria.
Okay, so if you can't break out an orange right before you go to the club and you need to get some quick breath action, we have
some other things that'll help with it. Of course, there are 5 main things. Brushing and flossing, we all know about that. But brushing and flossing the teeth is not just enough. You also have to brush the roof of the mouth or the palate. And you also have to brush the tongue. And some people gag if you can't brush the tongue. You use a tongue scraper. You use this to scrape the bacteria from the tongue.
Tell me that hasn't been used yet.
This has not been used yet.
And
if you can't do that, sugar-free gum. Don't get caught up in a particular brand. What you want to get caught into is the ingredients. Sorbitol and xylitol. That's the ingredients you want to look for that are proven to keep down the bacteria that cause bad breath.
All right. Are you using this gum? I might just,
You can have it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dr. Pierson. We're going to take a break right now.